أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the third episode of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic for Beginners, Book 1. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Still talking about things in the school. Al-Ashiya'u fil Madrasa. Things in the school. Sab'a, 7. Kursiyun, chair. Kursiyun, chair. Thamaniya, 8. Tabashir, chalk. Tabashir, chalk. Tis'a, 9. Nafidha, window. Nafidha, window. Nafidhatun, window. Nafidhatun, window. Ashara, 10. Babun, door. Babun, door. Now revision exercise. Listen to your teacher and take the right box. Wahid, number 1. Nafidhatun. Which of the two is nafidhatun? Is it this or this? Indicate which of the two is nafidhatun. Nafidhatun. Ithnan, number 2. Maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun means table. Maktabun, table. So which of the two is maktabun? Maktabun. Is it this or this? Maktabun, table. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.